I am Aisali and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we are adding some important news.
Adding news from Rawalpindi as per ISPR, a dinner was hosted by Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, NIM Chief of Army Staff, to honor the political leadership's steadfast commitment of the armed forces and the indomitable spirit of the people of Pakistan, as demonstrated during Marka-e-Haq Operation Bunyan Marsoos. The distinguished gathering was graced by the Honorable President of Pakistan, Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, the Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister, Chairman, Senate, Speaker, National Assembly, Federal Minister, Governor, Chief Minister, Chairman, Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee, Chief of Air and Naval Staff, senior leadership of major political parties, high-ranking government officials, and the senior officers from the three services. Participants paid tribute to the sagacious leadership that steered the nation through a defining moment, hailed the courage and sacrifice of the armed forces, and commended the resolute patriotism of the Pakistan people. In his remarks, the Chief of Army Staff expressed profound gratitude to the political leadership for their strategic foresight during Marka-e-Haq and lauded the seamless inter-services coordination that ensured operational success in Operation Bunyan Marsoos. He further acknowledged the unwavering role of Pakistani youth and media in countering the disinformation campaign waged by India, describing them as the steel wall against malign propaganda. The Chief of Army Staff also commended the outstanding contributions of Pakistani scientists, engineers, and diplomats, whose professionalism and resolve proved critical during the conflict. The evening stood as a powerful affirmation of national unity and the collective resolve to advance with renewed strength and cohesion.
For more updates, connect with Saiban News HD.